Hi all, I just wanted to show you my little helicopter. Here we go. Cost me 30 quid. Okay, you're not really going to get much better than that. It's really cool, okay, because it has two counter-rotating blades, as well as a counterweight here as well, which acts, gives a good gyroscopic effect, meaning it's going to be more stable. I'll try and give you a little demonstration. Fortunately for me, I keep crashing. So, oh well. So there we go. Now I'm going to let it stabilise first. Yeah, there you go. Ta-da! Yeah, so 30 quid. It's called an S107. Check it out. It's really cool. See ya.